Is this Transit high roof beautiful? No. Is it aerodynamic? It's trying to be. But one thing it is, it's super useful. Hi everybody, it's Ron the photographer guy again here at Thorncrest Ford. And today on Saturday, I want to show you a little bit of a walk around video of this 2018 Ford Transit high roof. It just came in. Hasn't been cleaned yet, but it will be detailed at some point. I've looked it over already. It's got no obvious dents or dings. It's actually externally in really nice shape. And I believe it has 170,000 kilometers in the odometer, but check this out. Oh, shelving galore. Oh, the possibilities for this. Anyways, it's already set up for you. So it's a delivery vehicle, work vehicle, apparently done by somebody called Ranger Design. There's your backsplash. Lots of possibilities there. And as you can see, nice clean shape. It's got your rear parking sensors, your rear backup camera, which we will show you in a moment. And again, your adjustable rear hinges. It's had some use, but still in great shape. See, no rub marks, no damage. Driver's area. Again, power windows, power door locks. 2 captain seats that, yes, will be cleaned. Some manual adjustments. Let's see what else we have in here. We have 2 dimes. Manual air conditioning controls. Center stack that looks like an old Nokia phone. Tiny little center screen. But what it does have a backup camera, which is nice. And like I said, the sensors. And as you can see, 173,000, 22 kilometers on the clock. Yeah, it needs a little bit of air. Let's check the engine. The ever-dependable 3.7 liter. In this case, with this rear-wheel drive configuration, it generates, I think, 270 horse and 260 pound-foot of torque. Ford's built millions of these engines, so they're dependable. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Again, if you're looking for a vehicle that has tons of space and is already configured for you to do all sorts of deliveries and anything else you can come up with, this 2018 Ford Transit 250 high roof is a fantastic option. It's available today at Thorncrest Ford. Thanks for watching this.